Nurses will sometimes ask me if I will represent them as their criminal defense attorney on a potential criminal complaint. And the answer is sure. If it's in the Clark County area, I can also represent you there. Now, there's typically two types of charges that I have seen most commonly with nurses. One is a DUI or operating under the influence, OUI, and the other one is domestic violence. So I'm happy to help you in either the Henderson Justice Court system or the Las Vegas Justice Court system. And just to give you some steps on what occurs, you have an allegation or investigation, followed by an arrest, followed by then an arraignment, where I appear with the nurse, either remotely or we go to court in person and we have a arraignment where you plead initially not guilty. We obtain the discovery on the case, which is the information put together by the district attorney's office, usually coming from the police department. And then we evaluate that and see if there are grounds to either negotiate the case or to try and strike an agreement with the prosecutor and then get the matter wrapped up. Obviously, then the process of preparing to disclose this to the board occurs. Now, when do you have to report a criminal conviction to the board? The answer is the next time you have to renew your license. Now, some states have different rules, so don't rely on the Nevada rules. Some states require notification within 30 days of a conviction. Nevada requires it every 2 years. Or if you're a new nurse, you report it when you're applying for licensure. So those are some of the basic guidelines. Now, if there did not result in a conviction, and I've handled cases where we didn't get a conviction, it was just an arrest, and we either had a pre-sentence arrangement or the case got dropped. And in those cases, we get the record sealed, and then you don't get questioned about that at the next time of your renewal. Give me a call. We'll discuss both avenues and how we're going to proceed.